related activities and describe the construction and production related activities associated with the project. This is the SIMOP study process. We
Yeah,
have
good.
to define the normal safeguards which are required by the safety management system that are applicable before any particular operation can be performed. Identify if there is a potential hazard associated with the two activities, identify possible restrictions, then record whether or not the two activities are permissible with or without the restrictions. That means we have to bring everything to the alarm level. This is the SIMOPS process. This is how we identify the SIMOPS. Then I will just go through it, just browse through it.
Yeah, yeah,
This
sure,
is
sure.
this is the construction scope. Then operational activities, adverse weather can also have to be considered. Then these are the SIMOPS types, non-routine SIMOPS, examples of SIMOPS not limited to the opening and section of strainers, scaffold being raised, crane boom being operated, maintenance team working on an equipment, maintenance activities during plant startup. There is a series of permitted operations, MOPO, then the SIMOPS restriction tables, and this is the matrix which we use. This is the